Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're diving into the Lofree Flow, a sleek, low-profile mechanical keyboard with Bluetooth, USB-C, and a gasket-mounted build. It promises great typing feel and style, but does it live up to the hype in 2025? Let's find out. Reminder, all products mentioned in this video are linked in the description. Scroll down if you want to check it out. Design-wise, the Flow is impressively compact, just 10 millimeters thick and weighing around 568 grams. It features a durable all-aluminum chassis with a fixed 3.9 degree tilt. Its ultra slim profile and solid build make it easy to slide into a laptop sleeve, making it ideal for travel, cafe work, or minimalist setups. The keyboard comes in a simplified layout, ranging from 75 to 100 keys depending on the version, and it's available in two clean finishes: white for those who prefer linear ghost switches, or matte black for those who enjoy a tactile experience via the phantom switches. The Lofree Flow stands out for its exceptional typing experience, thanks to Kyle full palm low profile switches on a gasket mounted PCB with internal foam. This setup delivers a soft, bouncy, and cushioned feel, rare for low profile boards. The sound is quiet and satisfying, though some users note minor inconsistencies in key resistance. Connectivity includes USB-C and Bluetooth 5.0 with multi-device pairing, but no 2.4 GHz mode, making it less ideal for gaming or BIOS access. Battery life is around 40 hours without backlighting, but recharging is slow. While the white backlight and RGB side lights look elegant, the opaque keycaps limit visibility in low light. No companion software means no remapping or macros. Hot swappable switches are a plus, though only compatible with certain KL options. Users love the premium feel and comfort, often comparing it to high-end keyboards. However, Bluetooth sleep latency and reports of poor customer support, especially among early Kickstarter backers, are drawbacks. Overall, the Flow is ideal for users who value typing comfort and sleek design over deep customization or gaming performance. The Lofree Flow is a niche gem, a premium feeling, ultra-thin mechanical keyboard that delivers top-notch typing comfort and an elegant design. If you prioritize typing feel and aesthetics, and don't mind the limits on customization, it's a standout. However, if you need full RGB, macro support, firmware updates, or reliable wireless mode for gaming, you might want a different keyboard. Consider the Keychron K3, NuFi Air 75 V2, or similar models that offer more robust feature sets and better software integration. If this video helped you, hit that like button. New here? Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You're already winning by checking this review. Out of your top 5 gear decisions this week, this one's solid. Thanks for watching. Peace out.